Craving for Reese's peanut butter? Chocolate chip Reese's cheesecake bars mix your beloved treat with cheesecake filling and cookie dough. The best part is all you have to do to make this recipe is to layer the ingredients and bake them. It is a dessert that results in a creamy medley of flavors that everyone will enjoy. It is appetizing and yummy, which is best when chilled to create a decadent baked good. You do not have to put hours of work into making this because it is easy to make. Also, it is creamy and indulgent. It is similar to eating Reese's peanut butter cup in a cheesecake form. Likewise, it is quick to bake. It is ideal when you need a crowd-pleasing dessert that is easy to serve, handheld, and portable. If you love Reese's peanut butter cups, then you are going to love this recipe, and you will not get enough of it for weeks. Also, they are fun to make. I promise you that you are going to enjoy making chocolate chip Reese's cheesecake bars. Reese's peanut butter cups. Did you know that the main reason why Reese's peanut butter cups taste so good is because of dynamic sensory contrast? For this reason, your taste buds love eating something with entirely contrasting textures. With the case of Reese's peanut butter cups, you love the slightly crunchy peanut butter and the smoothness of the chocolate. Reese's peanut butter cups are ideal for snacks, especially at parties. It is a yummy combination of peanut butter and chocolate. They are one of the most famous candies around the world. Likewise, they are usually Halloween treats. And it is what children commonly looked for every holiday. Also, chocolate chip cookie dough and cream cheese have a fantastic combination of flavors. What you will need for this recipe. Ingredients: 2 tubes of chocolate chip cookie dough, 60 grams of cream cheese, ½ cup of confectioner's sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 12 Reese's peanut butter cups. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 9 inch baking pan, spread, and flatten onto the bottom of a tube of cookie dough. Step 2. In a mixing bowl, whisk in the cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla extract until it is smooth. Step 3. Lay out Reese's cups on top of the cookie dough, then pour and spread the cheesecake mixture filling. Next, place the other chocolate chip cookie dough on top of the cheesecake filling. Step 4. Then, for 45 minutes, bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from oven and place in a wire rack to chill. Cut into equal squares, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. If the chocolate chip cookie dough is unavailable in your area, you can make your dough out from scratch. You can adjust the amount of the confectioner's sugar and vanilla extract to fit your taste. Any Reese's cup size can be used. Ensure to grease your baking pan before placing your cookie dough. The cheesecake needs to cool gradually, then chill in the refrigerator for approximately 6 hours. Doing this will allow the cheesecake to set correctly and enhance the taste. Reese's peanut butter cups and cream cheese are the perfect pair that results in a delicious dessert. Similarly, you can turn off the oven and open the oven door once the cheesecake is finished baking. Then, let it rest in the turned-off oven for approximately 30 minutes to cool gradually. Afterward, cool outside of the oven till it reaches room temperature. After that, cover the pan. You can also chill in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 6 hours. Chocolate chip Reese's cheesecake bars should be covered properly and stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Make sure to utilize a brick-style, full-fat cream cheese. Also, do not utilize a light or spreadable since they cannot give the desired consistency for cheesecake bars. Moreover, all ingredients must be at room temperature before getting started. So, remove them out of the refrigerator, measure out the amount, and let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before making it. Use fairly cold cream cheese and Reese's peanut butter cups. If they are too warm, then the mixture will not whip up properly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.